What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the engine air filter in a 2024 Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 in this video is going to be the gas-only version, the non-hybrid, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement engine air filters if you're in need. So as you can see, I've already got the hood popped, and then taking a look at the driver's side, the engine air filter is going to be in this compartment right here. There's a few things that we need to remove first. First thing is going to be this connector right here. There's this tab that my thumb's on. You need to push that tab, and then that will come off of there like that. Then we need to come over here and remove this piece, and this has this tab that pushes like this, and then this piece will pick up off of there like that. Another tab right here that you need to push with your finger and then pull off. And then once we get that whole kind of thing off of there, I'll just get it up out of the way. Now there's two silver clips that are holding this housing together. Pop the first one off like that. Come over here and pop that clip off of there. Once we have all those items removed, then we can take this housing apart. So in order to get this filter housing apart, I'm going to grab onto it and wiggle it and slide it just slightly towards the front of the vehicle. And then it will come apart like this. Then we'll reach in here and pull out the filter. And I'm still waiting for this replacement filter to come in. But when you install your new filter, it will install in this orientation with this rubber gasket on the top. And it's also a good idea while you have your filter out to grab a shop vac or even just a towel and clean out this air box if there's any extra dirt and debris in there. And then we'll go ahead and reinstall or install the new filter. So again, that'll install with that rubber gasket on the top side. Sit that down in there. And then if we take a look back here. So taking a closer look at the back side of this filter housing, I just wanted to point out that these two tabs, there's one right here that my finger's on, and then there's another one just like it right here. You can see that they go in this notch right here and right here on this side. So that's what you want to match up when you're putting this filter housing back on. Those tabs will slide into that notch like that. And then we can go ahead and snap our clips back down. And then we'll reattach these items. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.